Yeah, so in these past few weeks, there's been a lot of clarity in terms of so many things that I was probably, suffering because of certain mindsets that I never knew I had. So, for example, I have been, you've been mentoring me for such a long time, but still there were so many things I was not clear about. And one major thing I constantly kept on asking myself was, where is this, whatever little bit of insecurity, where is that coming from? What is that about? And I got the right answer for that. And so even though I was progressing, even though there was a lot of things I was letting go, there was obviously a lot of improvement. But in spite of all that improvement, I always felt there was something still kind of hurting within. There was something still kind of not I was not able to completely set myself free. So that has changed. So since last 1 week, I am kind of amazing myself. How am I feeling so free altogether? And it's been wonderful feeling that free. So now the situation is, कभी emotional होके लगता है कि रोना आ जाएगा, पर फिर भी हंसी इतनी आ जाती है कि आंखों से पानी नहीं आता. It's like that. So one of the major belief system that I had picked up in my childhood years was to say yes no matter what. Even though I was a rebel, even though मैं अपनी मर्जी से करती थी, and I've been called all sorts of things, जिद्दी है, this, that, and all sorts of things for sticking to my point. पर फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं बहुत कोर चीजें जो होती हैं उनको लेके I was not able to make my stand. क्योंकि मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगता था that if I make my stand, if I draw my boundaries, if I do not budge from where I stand, I am wrong. It is wrong of me to do that. कहीं ना कहीं ये था. So in the last couple of weeks, I have been able to move from that thought process, move from that belief, and I've come to the belief that it is not as a rebel, to stand my ground, not as a rebel, but in a very peaceful place. That this is my space, this is who I am. And जो चीज मेरी मेरी वाइब्रेशन से, मेरी माई आइडेंटिटी से जो चीज कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करती है, वो छूट जाएगी. एंड अगर जो छूट जाएगी, आई एम गोइंग टू बी ओके विद दैट, बिकॉज दैट इज इन माई बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट. Because if it is not matching, if it is not complementing who I am, it is creating more negativity, and I don't need that. So I've become more peaceful in terms of accepting things that complement me and letting go of things that don't complement me, without judging myself that this is wrong of me to do that. And I have done that on
It's okay.
on very sensitive issues, very firmly, confidently, just with one belief that, just with one request to the universe, that I just want, whatever I do, I don't want to shift from the harmony I'm feeling within. Just let me live with this harmony for the rest of the years that I have left. So that harmony that I have been feeling in total, especially after being able to let go of those childhood deep-rooted belief systems that I was not able to pick up until now. That was one major, absolutely major shift that has kind of set me free completely.
Awesome. I mean, I was waiting for you to get there.